On this one, you complete the triangle and find out the missing angle, and then you put the sides of the first triangle on top, and then you match them with the ones that go with them on the bottom, watching your markings. So between 37 and 116 is 4x. Between 37 and 116 is 5x, so it's 5x over 4x. Then you simplify each fraction. So now we put the sides of the first guy in order. And you've got two that are the same, so you really don't have to waste your time with that. But anyway, the 4s, who do they go with?
5x.
X plus 5. And the 3 goes with the 9, right? So now we put a blanket around this guy because it's got a sum in it, and we cross multiply. So we have 3 times x plus 5 equals 36. So it's 3x plus 15 equals 36. 3x equals 21. X equals 7. Got my first answer. Now, ST is right here. So if x is 7, what is ST?
12.
7 plus 5. And SU is right here. What is that one?
12.
You just answered that question. So there's 3 answers on that one.